5 of 19 shooting from the field for Bulacan. To round out that 5, Benedict Benedictos. A steal and a layup. Easy pickings for Alfred Flores.
Good defense there by Flores.
Magaan ang trabaho at maganda ang performance. Alam nila ang kayang gawin ng Bataan at lalo na nandito sila sa kanilang home court kaya kailangan nilang pumukpok sa depensa. At paalala ni Coach Alan, kailangan nilang maglaro sa team, magtiwala sa sarili dahil may kumpiyansa naman ng coaches sa kanila at walang tatalo sa puso at commitment ng isang homegrown.
Finding themselves into this hole. What a... Kasi kanina tabla tayo with 12 all.
Oo. Tapos di na nakascore talaga dito yung yung Bulacan.
This is now a 22-0 run. Pass inside Gabawan. At yun yung nagiging problema nila. That interior passing has worked to perfection for the Risers.
And when you're playing together, talagang nang medyo matagal-tagal na rin. Talagang nakikita nyo na yung mga opening na yun. Position properly, so makikita mo siya na nandun siya.
That ends the dry spell of Bulacan, but they could not stop anyone on the other end. Another.
Look at that attack by Minus.
Yung dinaanan doon, Coach Vic.
Oo.
Entry pass, Palagasay. Stolen away by Espinosa. Akop hanging in the air. Andre Akop with 11 points.
It's only Akop. Siya lang ang medyo buhay dito para sa Bulacan Kuyas eh.
Sorry, 9 points for Andre Akop. Carried away with that signature pull-up jumper. Masyado malakas.
Malakas, oo.
Grabe na kang Andre Akop beats his defender, laying it up and in. He now has 11. Obinta is now in for Bulacan. Locates Kent Castillo. Nice move. One dribble and then going up strong for the one-hander. Yung mahirap eh. Madalas yung kung sino yung bumawi.
Bumawi, palagi yun yung nahuhuli.
Espinosa lays it up and in. Palagasay losing his heft.
Good
2
move.
points.
Yes.
Plus a foul against Manila. Kani pulling up from free. Yes, sir. Jeff Bruce, shot fake. Back to Aaron Akop, fading away. Finally, Aaron Akop. Desazon, pitch ahead. Alex Ramos, bumitin pa sa ere for 2 points.
And talagang pinapatulak pa ni Coach eh.
Chris Javier with a long 2-pointer from the corner. 51-24, Benedictos tries one more time. He finally nails a three from the right wing. With that type of a game for Aaron Akop here in the first 2 quarters. Alex Ramos, parang namitas lang ng bunga doon.
Dagdag na naman yun sa fast break points nila.